So time to clean the panels again. We were a little worried about always getting up on the roof. It's not that steep, but it's always, get up on the roof. So we found this 30-foot long pole that does pretty good. If you got good shoulders and good arm, then we just got a hose on the other side with a soap in it and a dispenser soap and a sprayer nozzle. But you can see the difference. We'll get cleaning these, and that'll probably improve our output of these panels by double. Okay, well, get them going. So early morning, before these panels get hot, is when you want to do this. You do not want to do it in the middle of the day when the sun is beating down on them. They're already, 200 degrees or whatever they get to. You want to do it when it's cooler so you don't crack that glass. That soap is the soap is a special solar panel soap, so it doesn't scratch or hit, braze the glass. Well, obviously, it's not going to be bad for the environment because it is going to go down the gutter drain. Anyway, panels 1 or system 1 and let's see, got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, system 1 is converted to the clean glass. Let's go see what that does for the actual output. Okay, guys, in closing, the brush 30-foot extension worked pretty good. Obviously, if you're not afraid to get up on a flatter roof, it works much easier from the top up. But if you got a ranch style house and those panels, if you're 6 feet tall, you can easily reach up and get them. I mean, I was. I got 14 feet of panels, and it's 4 feet from the bottom of the eave, so I was able to reach the top. My wife was about a foot shy of reaching the top, but I could reach the top with it. And then this gun worked really good. You fill this up with the soap. It worked extremely well. It was able to, on the jet, it was able to actually spray all the way up there 30 some feet. This is the soap we got. This is off Amazon. It worked good. I mean, it was sudsy, just like it should be. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.